Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to copy an image from Google and use it in Canva. This is a quick way to bring in visuals for your designs, whether you are working on presentations, social media posts, or projects. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, open a new tab and go to Google Images. Then search for anime logo, for example. Say you have chosen a logo like this one. All you have to do is right-click on it and copy the image. Then go back to your Canva design, right-click and paste. Right-click here and paste. Just wait for it to load. As you can see, here is your image from Google Images, copied and pasted straight into Canva. That is how we copy an image from Google to Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can easily add any image to our designs.